Hey.
Now watch this shit now. That ain't gonna be.
Better hurry up, Will. Tell Daddy he will make sure you hold that mug.
You better hold it or you will smack him in the head.
How? This ain't of mine. I don't know what happened. It hurt.
You got one right there. And right there.
Okay, so he off to the right.
Yeah, he fucked this shit up.
Oh yeah, he got the brick pretty good.
I told you watch he hit that goddamn brick.
It's mine. Daddy put a hole right there. Hole down at the bottom. That's my first hole. These my other two holes. Damn, he got the brick. Whoa. Oh, okay. Which one you about to do?